Across the globe, ancient civilizations left behind a profound enigma, massive doorways carved into remote stone cliffs and temples that lead to nowhere. In Peru, the Door of the Gods stands silent in a high-altitude cliff face. In Mexico, a sealed cave entrance was said to be a gate to the underworld. In India, a temple door is guarded by a myth of a powerful curse. These structures, steeped in legend, have long been dismissed as ceremonial relics or mythic portals. But what if they are not relics at all? What if they are physical echoes of a lost wisdom, silent testaments to a civilization that understood a fundamental truth about reality that we have only recently begun to theorize? What if these doors to nowhere are tributes to portals? At the 11-dimensional model vertical bar. The Universal Tao, we propose that portal technology is not a science fiction fantasy, but a natural consequence of understanding and mastering the universe's fundamental architecture. By linking these real-world enigmas with a modern theoretical framework, we reveal a universe that doesn't just contain portals, it is fundamentally designed to allow them. This understanding of portals as a form of controlled dimensional manipulation, fueled by our model, gives a new and profound meaning to the enduring myths of ancient civilizations. Across the globe, we find physical structures that are steeped in legends of interdimensional travel, physical doorways that lead to nowhere, yet hold a powerful, mythic significance. Puerta de Hayumaca, Peru. This massive, T-shaped doorway carved into a cliff face near Lake Titicaca is rumored to be a portal to another world. The legend of an Incan priest using a golden disc to activate it and vanish forever is not just a fairy tale. Through our model, the golden disc could have been a technological dimensional key designed to resonate with the specific dimensional harmony of the puerta, creating a localized, controlled fold in spacetime, a genuine portal. The pyramids and sound technology. The hypothesis that the pyramids were built using sound or vibrational technology is a perfect fit here. If the ancients understood the principles of dimensional acoustics and could use specific frequencies to alter the dimensional resonance of stone, they could have manipulated its mass or properties, making it possible to move and place colossal blocks with apparent ease. This is not brute force, but the strategic application of dimensional physics. The sealed doors of Mitla and Padmanabhaswamy in Mexico and India, ancient sealed doors that have no obvious opening mechanism and are guarded by myths of curses or secret knowledge, could be seen as deactivated dimensional portals. The sacred knowledge required to open them may not be a spell, but the precise understanding of the dimensional resonances required to activate the gateway without causing a catastrophic collapse. The Seven Gates of Baalbek. The myth of 7 hidden gates in the massive ruins of Baalbek, each leading to another world, may be a forgotten account of ancient knowledge of higher dimensional manipulation, a sophisticated understanding of a technology we are only now beginning to theorize. These ancient structures are not merely archaeological curiosities. They are physical echoes of a lost age, silent testaments to a civilization that may have understood the true dimensional nature of the universe and even possessed a primitive yet profound mastery of portal technology. If these ancient doorways were, in fact, portals, it forces us to confront the great paradox of interstellar travel within conventional physics. The speed limit. Einstein's theories of relativity established that nothing with mass can travel at or exceed the speed of light. Even if we could accelerate a spacecraft close to this limit, traveling to the nearest star would still take years. A portal, an instantaneous shortcut, seems to be a direct violation of this fundamental law. The energy and stability problem. Theoretical concepts like wormholes, which could offer a spatial shortcut, require unimaginable amounts of exotic matter or negative energy to keep them stable and open. The energy required to create and maintain such a space-time distortion is far beyond anything humanity can conceive, making them seem like a practical impossibility. These paradoxes have long placed portal technology firmly in the realm of science fiction. To achieve it, we must abandon the idea of a portal as a hole we punch through space, and instead understand it as a controlled, precise manipulation of the dimensional essence of space-time itself. The first clue to portal technology lies in an extraordinary real-world phenomenon that still baffles mainstream physics: sonoluminescence. This is the process where sound waves cause a microscopic gas bubble in a liquid to violently collapse, emitting a burst of light. It's a tiny, powerful event where focused energy transforms into light from a point of extreme compression. In the 11-dimensional model, sonoluminescence is no accident. It is a miniature, uncontrolled demonstration of a profound cosmic principle: extreme dimensional compression. The rapid, violent implosion of the bubble, driven by the sound waves, is a local and extreme expression of the 11th dimension's contractive pull. The wave knots, the particles of gas, are subjected to unprecedented compression, pushing their dimensional resonance into an unstable, hypercondensed state. Dimensional re-equilibration. This intense compression causes a momentary and violent re-equilibration of the 10th, expansive, and 11th contractive dimensions on a microscopic scale. Light as a byproduct. The flash of light that bursts forth is a direct manifestation of this dimensional re-equilibration. The compressed energy being released back into the universal wave in its most fundamental energetic form: photons. In essence, sonoluminescence is the universe's way of showing us how extreme, focused energy can be used to locally manipulate the dimensional fabric and release energy from it. A dimensional portal, therefore, is simply sonoluminescence on a cosmic scale. Instead of using sound waves to collapse a bubble, a portal technology would use a precise, generated dimensional field to collapse, or more accurately, to fold or pleat, the universal wave itself. The 11-dimensional model reveals the exact mechanics. The 11th dimension is the gateway. The 11th dimension, as the dimension of ultimate contraction and quantum interconnectedness, is the key. While a black hole is an extreme runaway collapse into a singularity, a portal would be a perfectly stable, controlled, and precise application of this same contractive pull. Controlled dimensional resonance. Portal technology would create a specific, artificial dimensional resonance field, perhaps through advanced sonic, gravitational, or electromagnetic emitters. This field would locally override the natural expansive drive of the 10th dimension, and precisely harness the contractive power of the 11th, folding spacetime. This focused resonance would not tear spacetime. Instead, it would cause the universal wave to fold in on itself, bringing two distant points in our four-dimensional reality into immediate higher-dimensional proximity. The portal is the visual manifestation of this folded space, a stable gateway. The phase transition. An object passing through the portal would not travel through the portal in a conventional sense. Its dimensional wave knot would undergo a brief, controlled dimensional phase transition, temporarily existing at a higher, non-local level, instantly traversing the folded space, and then rematerializing as its original wave knot at the destination. It is instantaneous dimensional travel, not a violation of the speed limit. This profound dimensional insight transforms portal technology from an impossible dream into a logical, inevitable next step in humanity's technological and dimensional evolution. It provides a blueprint for a future that is not just about exploring a vast universe, but about mastering the very fabric from which it is made. The discovery of sonoluminescence showed us that light can be born from a moment of extreme, contained collapse. The 11-dimensional model takes that principle to its cosmic conclusion, revealing that a gateway to the stars can be born from a moment of extreme, contained dimensional folding. The promise of the stars is not a prize to be won by brute force, but a gift to be unlocked by profound understanding. And by understanding the ultimate cosmic dance of its dimensions, we can begin to take our first steps toward our inevitable destiny as masters of the cosmos. Before you journey back from this 11-dimensional adventure, if this content resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and especially share it with fellow explorers. Your support helps us open new portals of discovery. Thank you for your time across all dimensions.